Hi. In this video, we will quickly tell you about Leadpages Pricing, the leader in high-converting websites and landing pages. With over 250 ready-to-use templates and a drag-and-drop builder, you can easily boost your sales and leads. Try Leadpages risk-free today. Discover why more than 40,000 small business owners choose Leadpages. Select a plan to get started with your free 14-day trial. You can easily DIY digital marketing. We make it so that you don't have to resort to plugins or endure web designer drama. Websites, landing pages, alert bars, and pop-ups. Code-free, drag-and-drop builder. Mobile responsive templates. SEO-friendly pages. Powerful integrations. Opt-in form builder. Real-time conversion tips. Simplified analytics. A/B testing. The most effective way to sell your services online. With a landing page, you can easily connect with your potential customers and sell your services. Our drag-and-drop builder allows anyone to create and manage web pages that look professional. With the help of conversion-optimized pages, you can boost your website traffic and convert it into leads. With the help of tools like scheduling consultations and payments, Leadpages can help you grow your business. Make every piece of content count. Publish, post content, and optimize it all for business growth. Turn your hard-won web traffic into more leads and sales. Complete conversion toolkit, pop-ups, alert bars, and checkout forms. Fast page load speed, digital file hosting, real-time analytics, and so much more. Thank you. I hope that information helps. If you would like to learn more about that software for your business, please click on the link in the description of this video. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you, and have a great day. Bye.